It is currently 4 days after me using that tool to do a flat twist, not flat twist, do mini twist, sorry, on my hair. And I literally feel like I have dreads in my hair. Can you guys see that? Extremely hard to take this out. Like, my niece had to help me take this out when it was on Sunday, the day that I actually opened the hair from the twist. And look at this, I feel like I have dreads in my hair. Can you see that? Look at that. I am gonna wash it out today, so hopefully it comes out. Hopefully it's untangled in the shower. But guys, do not use this tool on our hair. Do not use your hands to do your mini twist, because this is absolutely not okay. I feel like I have dreads. I twist it around way too tight in order to get a neat look, but it's just not for us. It's just not for our hair types. It's just not. Don't believe the hype. Don't use it. Don't touch it. Just leave it where it is, okay? Just leave it where it is. I mean, that said, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in my other video.